Hey guys, Treebark here, and today we are doing our second how to build a ship tutorial. This video has been suggested by the fabulous Lego Disasters Diary, who posted a comment underneath my Edmund Fitzgerald video on how to build the Edmund Fitzgerald. As a quick reminder, if you guys ever want to know how I did something, post in the comments and I will be more than happy to address it in an upcoming either post or video. So anyway, let's get focused on how you can make your own Edmund Fitzgerald. Now, unlike the HMS Britannic that I made several years ago, the Fitzgerald customization process was actually fairly simple. Really, all that you need is the Lego Titanic. In this case, I used the 1/450th scale, which over the years has gone through variations in what they're numbering it as, but it's this general Titanic. So assuming that you have a Titanic, what you're going to do is simply strip off the entire superstructure. Just take it all off, get rid of it. All that we want left is the hull, because the Edmund Fitzgerald is really focused in two main areas: the bow structure and then the stern structure. The middle area, where the Titanic superstructure is going to be primarily just flat, as that's the cargo hold. Starting with the cargo hold, to just get that out of the way, all that you're going to do is have it just be a flat area. In this case, I use like studded blocks, but you can use completely flat bricks too. Remember that on top of it, you're going to want these little like one stud wide strips that show like the division between the different holds as depicted on the real Edmund Fitzgerald. Now focusing on the bow, you're going to create this shape here, like in the video, where like the Titanic's white pieces, and you're just going to try to like build, and you really just follow the image as shown. You're going to be using the various printed pieces from the Titanic to represent the different windows where stuff like the cabins and cockpit is, and like wheelhouse. And then going to the stern, we're going to use some of those like crane elements as these masts on the side. And then we're going to invert the funnel, so instead of the two orange bricks and then the black one on the top as on the Titanic, you're going to use two blacks, and then you're going to sandwich the orange in the middle. And on the back here, you're going to put down the American flag as on the real one. Lastly, if you are feeling extra creative, you can print out tiny little Edmund Fitzgerald signs and just tape it across the ship, as was done on the real vessel, just to add that extra little realism. Now for this, I didn't really focus much on what was below the waterline, as in the video I only ever showed like the bow underside when it was protruding through the ocean, or the propellers for like the underwater scene. So I didn't really focus much there. I left it as was done on Kobe's Titanic. And so yeah, that's how you make your own Edmund Fitzgerald. It's, again, fairly simple, especially in comparison to something like the Britannic. And hopefully this is proved helpful. And have a great day. Treebark out.